welcome or welcome back to my channel with Love Savannah. My name is Savannah and today we are going to be doing an Olaplex review. If you don't know, Olaplex is one of the best, hair care lines on the market as far as damage is concerned. They have a full line. I will show you what I have and we will walk through what I've been using and we'll do a little hair mask together and kind of discuss what I think of it, my overall review, and if I recommend it and things like that. Okay, we are back with a new camera angle and we are going to be working with the products Olaplex number 0 and Olaplex number 3. Technically what you're supposed to do is you're supposed to use number 0 first. This one came later. It's not a mandatory step, it's just supposed to help out. Step 3 is the actual mask. It says use before shampooing. It is not a conditioner, it is a bond builder. So again, that's part of the patented technology. The directions for use. Use 1 time per week, or for damaged hair, use 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp, towel-dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes, longer if desired. Rinse from hair. For best results, shampoo with Olaplex number 4 and condition with Olaplex number 5, which we will be doing. And that is it for this. Then this product comes along. It is Olaplex's patented and proprietary technology. It is a proven hair reparative system. Oh, I could have read this from the start. This is what Olaplex is. Olaplex's patented and proprietary technology is a proven hair reparative system trusted by stylists worldwide. This intensive bond-building treatment is best used as a 2-part system with number 3 hair perfector to strengthen and repair all types of damaged hair. Directions of use. Apply number 1 to dry hair in small sections. Saturate from root to tip. Hair should be damp, not drenched. Leave on hair for 10 minutes. Do not rinse. Apply a generous amount of number 3 hair protector, which is the mask, to saturated hair and wait 10 minutes. Rinse, shampoo, and condition as usual with Olaplex Bond Maintenance Shampoo and Conditioner. So as you see, there's this little tip. The way that this works is you kind of just like pop it off, and then there's this very, very tiny little tip. So what you'll see, and I'll show you in a second, is this comes out so little. Let's get started with my hair. All right, you know when you have one of those like cute hairstyles, like you don't want to take it off, or if like your makeup looks really nice, you don't want to take it off. I have like almost no makeup on right now, but the hair, it's like, I want it to go. All right, so underneath is not as cute as it all put together. So there, that is off, and then I just have this really big clip in the back. See, this is a clip I had in. My hair is really long. Oh my gosh, you can't even see the bottom. Let me grab this. Okay, so this is my hair from the top. It goes down to here. The waistband on my pants is like right here. Let me show you in the mirror. So it's kind of like down to my hip bone, I would say. In the back. See, so my hair is very, very, very long. Let's just talk about my hair a little bit. That way you know kind of how your hair compares to mine when going through and seeing how this product works. Naturally, my hair is pinned straight. Like if I get out of the shower, I comb it, let it go. It is pin straight, doesn't need straightening. I have fine hair. Each strand of my hair is, very, very small. It's very soft and silky naturally, and it is fine hair, but I have a lot of it. So I have very thick hair. As far as damage is concerned, I really don't use a lot of heat on my hair. As you see, I do have curls in now. Every once in a while, I do curl my hair. I really don't straighten it though anymore. I just don't need to. So there's some of my ends. So yeah, like I can see like a little splitter hair here. Definitely need some help. That's why I bought this system. Definitely noticed a lot more split ends recently with pandemic times and working from home. Ever since then, I'm queen of buns and ponytails and just like having my hair up. That's really what sparked me buying this, is I just was noticing some breakage like even up here and was just trying to get rid of that. First, what I would do, I'm just gonna show you how this is supposed to go. So you take this and you squirt it out. So as you can see, like I can see in the viewfinder, there is like hardly any coming out. And I'm squeezing the bottle really hard. Like I don't know if you can tell, but I'm squeezing the bottle pretty hard to get this out. In order to get your hair damp, like it says, it wants it damp from root to tip. So as you can imagine, I would have to do a lot. Like I would have to use a ton of product to get my hair damp, and it would also take forever. See, like this part is a little bit damp. Yeah, like I got this part damp, but like I tried like going through and doing this and it took me forever and my hair wasn't even slightly damp. Since you can do this without this product, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dampen my hair first just to get it kind of a baseline, and then I'm gonna try to apply this like all over my hair just to give it something on top of the damp towel dried hair. Whoa, girl, looking good. Looking good. Okay, so I took off my jewelry except this, but I took off my earrings, took off my necklace, and basically what I did is just really quick, I drenched my hair, but I didn't leave it under long, so it is not drenched the whole way through, like it's not saturated. This is like equivalent to towel dried hair. So now I'm gonna take this. I'm really just gonna do the best I can and just getting some of the product on. This really, honestly, like, I'm gonna tell you right now, unless you have mega short hair, I feel like there's absolutely no way that you could drench your hair with this, like, or dampen your hair, like, there's no way. I mean, I don't wanna say this because I don't wanna say it doesn't work, because I don't know, it probably does, but it's just like, it's almost impossible, like, it's just impossible to get it drenched. Like, if I would actually apply this to my whole entire hair, like, it just wouldn't work. What I am gonna do, I just kind of like went over it a little bit, but I feel like the underneath of my hair is what takes the most abuse just from ponytails. So I'm going to apply more to the underneath and then the roots. So I'm just gonna put some like in my palm, but I'm gonna apply it under my hair where I feel like my most damage is, and then I'm gonna do where the split ends mostly are, the very ends of my hair. Okay, next is step 3. It says to apply a generous amount from the scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. To get it thoroughly saturated, I put quite a bit in. This is what it looks like. Just going to apply it through. Okay, you just watched me do that, and I got to like here, it's gone. So really do have thick hair, lots of it. And then it says to leave it on for at least 10 minutes. I think I'm gonna leave it on for 15 to 20. I've read into this and it is safe to leave on longer. I believe it said somewhere around like 45 minutes. It doesn't really make a difference leaving it on much longer because I saw people were asking about like sleeping it overnight. And we will be back in 15 to 20 minutes. Talk to you then. Okay, I'm back. 15 minutes later, this is what we have. Not much to see, just kind of wet hair. As far as the scent goes, this has a very light, it's a very light, like watery scent. Like it really doesn't have a strong smell. Like it's not bad at all. I'm going to get in the shower now. I'm going to use number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. And then I will be back to show you the aftermath. Hi everybody, we are back. It is post-shower and it's been a little bit so that my hair could dry. We are finishing up with the last product. This is number 6, the Bond Smoother, and it just says to apply a very small amount to damp or dry hair, concentrating product on your mid-length to ends, comb through and style as desired. It is nighttime, as you can tell. I'm in my festive pumpkin PJs for Halloween. I have that much. I'm gonna put it in my hair. This is kind of a lot, but that's okay. So mid-length to my ends, which are down here on my tiptoes right now. Just gonna put this through. I will comb my hair out, and then what we're gonna do is I'm going to go to sleep, and in the morning when I get up, we will see the final result, see how my hair looks once it's all dry and brushed out. Stay tuned for that. I will see you in the morning. Good morning, everybody. So today is the next day after the hair mask. As you can see, my hair is completely dry. All I did to it today is I just brushed it. So this is what I mean by it's pinned straight. I have to go back really far. The ends are down here. This is what it looks like naturally. So just up close, And look at the strands. So Olaplex is a bond builder. So it's actually supposed to repair all of the bonds in your hair from kind of the top to the bottom. So here we are. This is an after pic. I wanted to go through now. I will insert a clip and show you what my hair looks like from the back so you can see it a little bit better. But I wanted to go through and just talk through the products that I use, talk through the products that I have. That way you know what you should and should not buy. So we'll start out with number 0. This one is the product that I said you put on before the mask. So it's the one that you put on like this. The lid's actually on right now, but it comes out of this tiny little nozzle and it's supposed to help dampen your hair before you put on the mask. I would skip this product. I think maybe if you have shorter hair or if you do what I did where you wet your hair first and then you put this on, it might be okay. I mean, I don't want to say that there isn't benefit to this. There probably is for it to exist. I would say it probably does help a bit, but I just think that in the way that they did this bottle, it's just really hard to use and really hard to actually get the product out. So I don't know how much benefit it's doing when it really isn't getting all over my hair. So I just feel like number 0 is a personal skip. The next product that we'll talk about is number 3. This is the Hair Perfector. So this is the one that I used as a mask. And I think that this is the one that I've seen really provide the benefit. You're supposed to use this one time per week or for damaged hair 2 to 3 times per week. And I just think that this is that product that you see the most noticeable difference where it actually will make your hair like really soft and look more healthy. So this one is a product that I would definitely buy. Next, we'll talk about the shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo and conditioner are numbers 4 and 5. You're supposed to use these daily or as much as you wash your hair. And I'll be honest, I think these ones are skips. I personally have found other products to work just as good or better even. This is a shampoo. It's like this much left. So I have gotten my use out of this. I've properly tested this. And I would just say that I haven't noticed much of a difference in my hair. It looks really good right now because I use the mask. I find that Biolage works really well for my hair. So just if you needed a recommendation, I think Biolage is really good. I would say that that one you could probably pass due to the high price point and nothing really wrong with it, but I just don't think it's necessary. The next product is number 6. This is the Bond Smoother. I used to use this one every time after I showered, and then I read you don't have to do that. It says it reduces frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. So you don't have to use it that long, so I stopped because Huawei's product. But this one I would say is a buy product. I like this one. I think that the Hair Perfector, number 3, and then the Bond Smoother, number 6, are really great products to buy if you're looking to make your hair healthier, strengthen the bonds in your hair. These are good ones. Okay, so then I just wanted to talk about the other products that I didn't use. Obviously, I can't give my full review since I haven't tried them. Number 7 is a bonding oil, and this one is used to shine, strengthen, and protect. I think if you use heat protectant on your hair a lot, like if you're straightening a lot or curling, I think this would be a good product to try to really just help keep your hair healthy, since that's kind of their whole goal in the first place. Even if you just want some extra shine, it says it's good for that. The next one, I would say this is a buy as well. I would try this one if your hair is really damaged. Number 8 is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. And I would say that if you are looking for another product like the number 3 Hair Perfector, just like another mask, you really have a lot of damage, I think this one would be a good one to try. And then finally, the last product that I wanted to talk about is this one. It's number 4P. It's an alternate shampoo. It is the Blonde Enhancer Toning Shampoo. If you have blonde hair, as you see, I don't, but if you have blonde hair and you want to use, or you would be using a toning shampoo in the first place, like a purple shampoo, and you wanted to use Olaplex, this would be your substitute there. That is my final review for Olaplex. I hope this really helped you if you were looking into buying the products, have them yourself, and just wanted to use them better. I hope it really helped you, and wishes for happy, healthy hair to you. Thank you for watching my channel. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see more of my videos. I put out new videos at least 2 times a month, but I'm working on doing them a little more for you. Thank you for joining on, and I will catch you in the next one.
One of us gotta say the obvious.